Today we're going to learn the endings of the past simple and practice the most common AR regular verbs for all the persons in Spanish. Just bear in mind that the past simple receives different names in English and Spanish, but the most important thing is that with this tense you will be able to talk about actions that happened and concluded in the past, such as yesterday I studied Spanish. Empecemos. These are the 4 things that you need to know when using verbs. The infinitive of the verb, if it is regular or irregular, the person, and the endings of the tense that you want to use, so you can modify the verb accordingly. As you have done with the regular verbs in the present, you only need to remove the ending of the infinitive and add the preterite ending that matches the subject. Now, let's learn the endings for the AR regular verbs in the past simple. Haste, o, hamos, hasteis, haron. For example, with estudiar. Estudié, estudiaste, estudió, estudiamos, estudiasteis, estudiaron. Vamos a practicar. We're going to do 8 exercises together. You will need to say or write the ending for each verb. Just remember to pause the video if you prefer to write it down. Ejercicio 1. As you can see, I am giving you all the endings on the left and also the infinitive next to the English verb, so there is no possible lack of knowledge that might affect the task. By doing this, you will only have to focus on the endings. Just be aware, I will not be reading the personal pronouns as they are not compulsory in Spanish, because we have the endings to indicate who we are talking about or who is doing the action. I loved. Amé. I helped. Ayudé. I listened. Escuché. I came in. Entré. I bought. Compré. I congratulated. Felicité. I had dinner. Cené. Ejercicio 2. You singular won. Ganaste. You singular wore. Llevaste. You singular used. Usaste. You singular visited. Visitaste. You singular rested. Descansaste. You singular sang. Cantaste. You singular talked. Hablaste. Ejercicio 3. She worked. Trabajó. She sent. Envió. He went down. Bajó. He walked. Caminó. It stopped. Paró. You singular formal carried. Llevó. You singular formal asked. Preguntó. Ejercicio 4. We needed. Necesitamos. We walked. Caminamos. We rested. Descansamos. We finished. Terminamos. We studied. Estudiamos. We waited. Esperamos. We stopped. Paramos. If you know the endings for the present well, you might have noticed that we have the same ending for the present simple and the past simple, which means that you will need the context to help you get the meaning right. So watch out for the words surrounding that verb. Ejercicio 5. You plural took. Tomasteis. You plural wore. Llevasteis. You plural traveled. Viajasteis. You plural visited. Visitasteis. You plural sent. Enviasteis. You plural sang. Cantasteis. You plural bought. Comprasteis. Ejercicio 6. They danced. Bailaron. They spent. Pasaron. They changed. Cambiaron. They took. Tomaron. They traveled. Viajaron. You plural formal drew. Dibujaron. You plural formal invited. Invitaron. Ejercicio 7. I had breakfast. Desayuné. You singular worked. Trabajaste. It worked. Funcionó. You singular formal took. Tomó. We loved. Amamos. You plural wore. Llevasteis. They visited. Visitaron. You plural formal helped. Ayudaron. Ejercicio 8. You plural formal took. Tomaron. You plural waited. Esperasteis. He celebrated. Celebró. You singular formal dance. Bailó. You singular bought. Compraste. We went down. Bajamos. They entered. Entraron. I changed. Cambié. And that's it for today. Y eso es todo por hoy. Buen trabajo. Hasta la próxima clase. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the notification icon too so you don't miss any of my videos.